Welcome to Cumberland.
So today we took the kids on their first tour and it was absolutely amazing. The kids were so excited, you know, the smiles on their faces, you couldn't get them off. They absolutely loved the new facilities.
It was awesome, and the new building, and I think the classrooms are spacious and the design places and all that were amazing.
What I'm most excited about is what the spaces will do to continue supporting and enhancing the quality of the teaching and the learning for our students.
Personally, I'm a student librarian, and the library, it's to a level of university library. It's very big, very spacious, and I like the breakout rooms it has.
We have brand new visual art spaces that are very large and support students working on their creativity. We have state-of-the-art woodwork rooms with all brand new equipment that can support a number of projects for our students to work on in their time. We also have a number of music and dance performance spaces.
My favourite place has been the school hall. I think it's just, there's so much space, tons of different opportunities for drama, sports, presentation days, and I'm very excited to get to use it.
In a lot of these rooms at Cumberland High School, they are quite open.
So teachers can be team teaching, they can be sharing the resources with classes next door and being able to provide feedback to each other on their practice as well.
And I think that's good to show that this school is really all connected together.
Coming together as a group, as a team, as a school community.
Just that sense of community is so ingrained into the design here of this new building.